I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Boston clam chowder using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 cans of chopped clams, making sure to reserve their juice. Dice 4 slices of bacon and 1 medium onion. Also, have 2 cups of diced potatoes and 3 cups of half and half ready. This simple approach ensures a delicious, creamy chowder with minimal fuss, perfect for any occasion. Next, let's build the flavor base. Cook your diced bacon in a large pot until it's nice and crispy, then remove it, leaving the drippings. Sauté the diced onion in the bacon drippings until softened. Add the diced potatoes and the reserved clam juice to the pot, bringing it to a simmer. Cook until the potatoes are tender, about 15 minutes. This step is crucial for developing a rich, savory foundation for your chowder. Now for that signature creamy texture. Whisk the butter and flour roux into your simmering potato mixture. Continue whisking until the chowder begins to thicken. Gently stir in the 3 cups of half and half and the chopped clams. Heat the chowder through, but be careful not to let it boil, as this can curdle the cream. Season with salt and pepper to your liking, ensuring a perfectly balanced flavor. Your easy Boston clam chowder is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it into bowls and garnish with those crispy bacon bits you cooked earlier, along with some fresh parsley for a pop of color. Serve it hot with a side of oyster crackers or a slice of crusty bread for dipping. It's a comforting and satisfying meal that tastes like you spent hours in the kitchen. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, see the link in the description below. This robot vacuum offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making cleanup a breeze.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.